Hello, my name is Tiffany and I'm a member of the Bright MLS training team. At Bright MLS, we regularly add new features and functionality based on subscriber feedback. Let's talk about the May 12th system update to learn all about the new changes and what exactly they mean for you. Let's start with the big one, property conditions. You asked and we listened. We have changed the property conditions field and the definitions have been updated in search and listing management. Based on subscriber feedback, we simplified the property conditions options to match the nationally recognized definitions used by appraisers. So please note, while the pick list options may be changing, property condition will continue to remain an optional field within Bright. If you do not feel comfortable assigning a property condition to your listing, you do not have to enter a value. When entering a new listing, if selecting new construction, select new construction equals yes, and it will automatically set the property condition to excellent. Building winterized and build out allowance are no longer available for you to select as a property condition. So as part of the property condition change, two new fields titled Building Winterized Yes No and Build Out Allowance Yes No have been added to help you designate this information on your listings and search for relevant properties. Existing listings will be updated automatically. Based on the information that is available, we will be updating listings according to the new options. These changes are now available in listing management and in search. The new property condition options are available for you to enter or update your listings in listing management now. You can also find properties through search with these new options. We encourage you to check your saved searches and auto emails to make sure that they are returning the results you want with these new changes. A new link to view an audit report is now available on several reports. While searching in Bright MLS, a new icon link has been added to the top of the Appraiser, History, Listing, and Property in all agent reports. This link enables you to access a property's audit history report within listing management. Another exciting update here, copy a listing is now available across additional property types. To help you save time when you're entering listing information, you can now copy a listing between the following property types: commercial sale to commercial lease and vice versa, as well as land, residential sale, residential lease, and farm. This feature was first introduced for residential sale, residential lease, and farm listings last year. Now you'll be able to copy any listing you have access to edit as a listing agent. Simply go to the listing you'd like to copy, select copy, and in the top left corner, select what property type you'd like to copy this listing to. Then go through and update the listing according to the new property type. For step-by-step instructions, visit www.brightmls.com/system-updates. We've updated the source fields through the tax record. The source fields are now automatically populated through the tax record, so you no longer have to manually select the source. Source will be an automatically generated field that appears next to these fields in listing management. The year built, lot size source, lot dimension source, building total square footage source, and farm land area source. The values that are taken from the tax record will display the source as assessor. Values that are edited by the user will display the source as estimated. Listings will be updated to reflect the simplified options. We've also added a timeout warning. When you are within 10 minutes of one or more of your checked out listings expiring, a message will be displayed over the top of the application, regardless of what you're working on, to inform you that the listings are set to expire and how many minutes are remaining. An auto save feature has been added to photo captions. Now, within listing management, photo captions will save automatically as soon as they are entered. We have added a Save Now link at the top and an auto saved notification up at the top as well, so you know when your work was last saved. Every minute, the system will check to see if there's an image that's been changed, if there's been a caption added, or something has been flagged as a main photo, and then we'll save it within our server. The last system update to review today, but certainly not the least, is the 3-Up report. It's been updated to print in order the listings were sorted in My Carts. Previously, when printing a 3-up report from your cart, listings did not print in the order in which they had been sorted. This issue has now been fixed, and the 3-up report will print from your carts in the order that they were sorted. That's all for our May 12th system update. If you'd like more information, please visit www.brightmls.com/system updates.